the chances of surviving brain cancer is still quite low. So research that's happening in this Toronto lab at the Hospital for Sick Kids is trying to understand that and also trying to combat that. Dr. Peter Dirks joins me now, and you're specifically researching the type of brain tumor that Gord Downie had.
Yeah, it's called a glioblastoma. And what the Ontario Institute for Cancer Research has done for us, it's enabled us to be able to grow, to tease out and expand key cells that we think are the cells that drive the growth of these cancers and that are resistant to therapy.
These are the stem cells of that brain tumor.
That's right, actually. These are cells that lie at the root. We can mow down the lawn of dandelions but leave the root behind, and we think we found the root. And now what we can do, and what Patty's been looking at here, is we were able to grow these cells from each patient's own cancer in a culture, and we can test the drugs. And here, a drug that we're very interested in is slow these cells down so they're not multiplying, but unfortunately in this one, that same drug is not stopping these at all. So what we found is a personalized type of therapy for these particular cancer stem cells, but unfortunately not those. But we have other things for this one.
So, I mean, one challenge is looking at targeting the tumor itself, but then you've got this added challenge that different patients with the same tumor react differently to the same drug.
Absolutely. I think that's why we're moving towards more a patient individualized type of therapy, and we need to have access to their cells in order to test things and see if they work, because we can't always predict that. And we're finding things that we would have never predicted just by doing these kind of experiments.
Is this type of research happening anywhere else in the world?
Certainly it is. You know, there are lots of people now who are looking at this, but and we're talking to those people to share ideas and try to use this view of cancer to bring new insight, to bring new treatments.